in apple pie order, مکمل ترتیب کے ساتھ. The books were lying on the table in apple pie order. A white elephant, ایسی چیز یا جائیداد جو اپنی افادیت کھو چکی ہو. The old car is a white elephant for a poor person. A black sheep, کسی گروہ یا خاندان کا ناپسندیدہ شخص. Now every profession has got its black sheep. A bosom friend, گہرا دوست. They were bosom friends and went to everywhere together. A brown study, خیالات میں غرق. He did not make an answer to me as he was engaged in a brown study. A burning question, گرما گرم مسئلہ یا بحث. The burning question is whether Kashmir will become a part of Pakistan or not. A maiden speech, پہلی تقریر. His maiden speech in the assembly was successful. A close-fisted man, کنجوس آدمی. He is a close-fisted man. He does not spend money on the poor. A cold-blooded murder, برحم قتل. The robbers killed the shopkeeper in cold-blooded. Crocodile tears, جھوٹے آنسو یا مگرمچھ کے آنسو. The stepmother shed crocodile tears on her son's death.